Alright, hello and welcome to PMCLounge.com. My name is Shoaib. I am the voice behind all the videos on the PMCLounge.com YouTube channel as well as the PMCLounge.com website. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to do that. So today I'm taking up a question from Quora, and the question is very interesting, and that is why I'm taking it up. The other thing is, I'm not sure if I understand the question correctly, and I'm not sure if I understand the correlation here correctly, but if you do, let me know in the comments and help me understand the question. So the question is, with Brexit in progress, is it advisable to go for PRINCE2 rather than PMP? Okay, so with Brexit in progress, is it advisable to go for PRINCE2 rather than PMP for project coordinators with 2 years of industry experience in India? So you've got Brexit here, you've got PRINCE2, you've got PMP, and then you've got project coordinators with 2 years of experience in India. Now, two things here before I try to kind of share my thoughts on what I think about this question. Just to set the stage, Brexit is not final yet. Brexit has not happened yet officially, right? And second, Brexit has nothing to do from a larger perspective, from a helicopter view. Brexit has nothing to do with India, nor does it has anything to do with US. It doesn't have anything to do with PMP, and it doesn't have anything to do with PRINCE2. So just because Brexit is supposedly taking place, it is not final yet, like I said, but just because it is taking place does not change anything in terms of PMP or PRINCE2. Both are good certifications. PMP is my choice. PMP is the gold standard when it comes to project management certifications. And I would say PRINCE2 has its own advantages, disadvantages, has its own, a field of influence. PMP has, I believe, has a larger field of influence, right? Brexit will have nothing, will not change anything here. If you are based in UK, if you are based in some parts of Europe, of course, PRINCE2 is going to be much more helpful for you because organizations tend to follow PRINCE2. Anywhere else in the world, mostly anywhere else in the world, PMP is what the global organizations follow. So that's about it. Brexit is not going to change anything. But in the question, you have mentioned that you are a project coordinator with 2 years of industry experience and in India. So India, I'd say, since I'm from India, I'd say PMP is way ahead of PRINCE2 or any other project management certifications for that matter as of 2018, as of November 2018. So that's the reason I'd say go for PMP, but then since you have 2 years of experience, you need 1 more year of experience, and I'll share a link to all the prerequisites that you need, right? I'll share a link to the video in the description below where I discuss all the prerequisites that you need to fulfill to be eligible to write the PMP exam. So 3 years of experience is a must in project management and leading projects, and then you can go ahead and go for PMP. So Brexit has nothing to do with PRINCE2, PMP. Brexit has nothing to do with your career. Go ahead, plan your career according to whatever you feel is good for you, whatever you feel is in demand in your industry, and whatever you feel you are also good at. That's all that I had, and do let me know in the comments if you think something else about this question. And that's all that I had. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and check us out on PMCLounge.com for all the articles that you need for your PMP preparation. Thank you and have a nice day.